All right, Facebook. Your boy Positive Tony is back on, and Feet is feeling amazing. She did an amazing job. I don't have hammer time. I got nice feet. Yeah? Pretty feet, right? For a man that's been in the military for over 20 years walking on these dogs, they still healthy. So I couldn't just spoil myself. I had to spoil my wife too. So she getting a massage. Show him your bag. Daddy got you. That's what she been wanting one for so long, and you don't have to wait for Christmas or a birthday to buy a token of appreciation. So I bought her a little bag that she always wanted. So that's Gucci.
Yeah.
That's Gucci.
And I got ice on my hand.
And she icing up her hand right there. But we good to go. Woo! I feel like amazing. $1 million. My feet done. No hammer time here, baby. You man. All right. You do this every day? Every day? Really? Wow. You know they're legit because they have a shirt and they all have a number on their shirt. Yeah. See, yeah, so. I know. Uh-oh, there's our big butler, Fernando. What up?
How are you?
Hola.
You look relaxed.
I'm very relaxed, man. Hola. All right.
Oh, you're listening?
That's the life, man, yeah. Joy. Work hard. Exactly. Yeah, man. Yes. Just enjoyed it. Look at our handsome butler right there.
Hey.
Yeah.
What's wrong with the phone?
She been trying to text message.
I start work at noon.
Oh, you don't come to work till noon.
I forgot to send you a message.
Oh, so you had.
Yeah, because before I go, I always send a message to my guests to tell them so I work with this, I come back tomorrow.
What time you get off at night?
Today at 8 p.m.
8 p.m.
Yeah,
Okay.
So tomorrow, but I'm gonna send a message before I go.
Okay. Yeah.
Take your day.
Happy.
With Big Mama.
Oh, Big Mama. Okay.
Hi.
Yeah.
We just finished breakfast.
I'm good. Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah.
Oh.
Dominican Republic.
Hey, Big Mama.
What's up?
Didn't see a message.
Huh? You don't have it? I know, right? Hold on one second, Big Mama. Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Woo.
Grandma?
My grandma.
That's her grandma.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, you want to say?
I'm trying to show it. She there. I'm trying to show you the picture.
Ah, yes.
This you, Fernando
Yeah, this is
Perez?
me.
Hold on one second.
Grandma,
Big-
are you single?
Hold on. There's a butler.
Hey.
Hey, Big Mama, he asked if you single. Yeah, man.
Yeah, we on the beach.
Senor.
I get in a massage.
For the 307, yes?
4307.
Yep.
Yes.
We're on the beach and I get a
I
massage.
didn't see your message. I don't know why.
Really?
It said it gave me a lightning bolt. Hold on. See? Lightning bolt. And then nothing.
Yeah, because sometimes when you don't have connection, you should send a message.
It just goes.
Hey,
You don't
Big
have
Mama.
connection, they say yes, no, don't state. It's so.
You know your granddaughter broke her hand, right?
Hold on.
She walking up the steps.
Yeah, I'll show you in a second. Hold on.
We trying to. Also, yeah, we.
No, it went.
Now, yes.
Oh, it went through.
Yes.
Okay,
now.
it went through.
Yeah.
So text me everything that you need.
Okay. Will do.
Well, dude, great to see you, brother.
Good to see you too. Enjoy.
All right, we'll talk to you soon.
Okay.
All right.
Look at my hand. Oh, you see it? Oh, yours went dark. Oh, hold on. Let me put it back. There we go. Oh, no.
You calling her?
I'm trying to put it back. Hello? Hold on. Trying to call it back. What did she call me on?
Oh, it hurts.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Let me call her.
Well, I thank you guys for entertaining me today. I'm so excited because my feet are. I got my feet feel so good. Oh, you give good massages, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
We call her back. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I think she called me on video chat.
All right, Facebook, for those who are entertained, laughing. We need to get on our YouTube page.
So that's what you. Okay, hold on.
All right, y'all.